Hey everyone, we're going on a road trip, albeit a very short one, but we're going on one anyway. Check it out. Well, here we go. So I've come to Leys Nature Reserve, and it's all Keith's fault from KG Photography, another YouTuber. So it looks quite promising. It's a beautiful day actually. It's not too bright, there are clouds about. Oh, green woodpecker, hello. There you go, just walking down. The plan is to just go up the Hyde side. If I can get around the other side, then fair play. If I can't, no big deal. Let's just see what the day brings. Here we go, it's my first Hyde. I won't be doing anything inside because there are people in there I don't want to disturb. But let's go and have a look, mate. That's the first Hyde done. Down near the car park. Spend a bit longer, a couple of hours really. It's off to the next one. Let's have a walk around because that's the plan, right? There we go, there's the second Hyde, that's the double-decker Hyde. Going in that one next. Fortunately the wind's now coming side on. The birds like to take off into wind normally. Maybe none of them shots today, but so far so good, 2 Hydes. Let's go in the second one, see what's doing. Well, nothing doing really at the second Hyde, so I'm moving on to the third. So far so good, so many birds singing. I've heard robins and blue tits and all sorts of things, and I can just hear them in the background as well as what's going on over on the water. Beautiful, really nice. I'm over at the standing Hyde now. The wind's blowing right in here, but there's a load of widgeon out there. Feeding away happily. It's a really nice place. It's turned out to be a really nice place. Quite liking this. Gonna have to come back, methinks. Down on the bird feeding Hyde now. See the setup. Little perches you can use. Yeah, that's great tit on the perch now. greenfinches, goldfinches, bullfinches, great tits, long-tailed tits, blue tits. Quite a nice one to come into, just to sit for an hour or two on a tripod and what have you. Want to test your hand at photographing birds at bird feeding stations and things. Why not? I might give it a go. I want to come here a bit earlier though. You know, it's getting quite busy now. Runners, there's a few people walking with their kids and what have you. You know, it's early spring. It's warmed up a little bit since last week on the snow, so people are getting out there. Still liking it. So I'm now at the far end, and I'm just about to join the old railway line now. I'm going to walk that all the way down to the bottom. The wind's blowing in this top end quite a lot, and it's really flooded. From videos that I've seen previously, the water's really high. It's not surprising really, all the meltwater and what have you from snow and all that kind of stuff. But beautiful mute swan there, really, really close. Some babbling water. What more could you want? Out in the open, yeah? Beautiful early spring morning, getting some exercise and seeing some beautiful things. Gotta love it, right? So this is Leys sand martin bank. Got holes in there. It's an old railway loading place, and in the summer the sand martins nest inside. So that's one for the books, isn't it? Here we go, just going back onto the reserve now. A short stretch onto the old railway line. So here we are then. There's a map. Started there, so went all the way around to the top, and then you go down the railway line here. You're back onto the reserve just here. That's where I am right now. I'm going to have a short walk round back to the car park. I think there's one more hide, I believe. Fingers crossed anyway. Well, I'm coming to the end of the walk now. Look at these beauties, eh? 3 black Highland cattle and a red one. How nice. Get a couple of headshots, I think, of those with a camera. last hide now. Got this one to myself. There's a heron behind me in the bush, I mean really close, and I could see it through the bush, but not worth taking any photos of it. And then it took off from behind the bush, and I'm on single spot focus because I'm taking photographs of things on the lake, swimming and what have you. And it launched itself. I don't know whether or not I got it. I mean, if you're seeing a picture of it now, then obviously I did, but if not, I didn't. I've just seen the only grey crested grebe that I've seen here. Maybe there's more. I mean, comment below, are there more? I mean, I see loads on Boddington, so just the one here. There was 2 oyster catchers down out on the scrape in front of me, and I got here and then something spooked when they took off. Again, didn't I? I fired off a few shots as they left the ground. But yeah, this is the last one. The car park's not too far away. I might spend an hour in here. Yeah, it's been a really nice day so far. So my views on the whole thing when I get back in the car. Well, I've had a good 4.5 hours over here. That's all I have time for. I'd like to be here a little bit later. But things to do, people to see, all that kind of thing. Guys, thank you very much for those who have started subscribing. I totally appreciate it. Thanks very much. If you enjoyed this one, please do hit the like button and subscribe. And if you want to see more, hit the dingly bell as well. Guys, plenty well recommend this place. Yeah, come and give it a go. I'm certainly coming back. Thanks. Bye bye.